Socket?
Yeah. All right, we're gonna leave the switch off for now. Dogs welcome, people tolerated. Cutest little doormat ever.
I found these results.
Thanks. Don't need you.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Sorry about that.
What are you sorry about?
Oh, that I was out in the truck for a little while. Oh, shh. You've seen me before.
She's very friendly, but not always. So.
All right,
It's the one on the left. It's the garbage disposal.
So it's just making a humming noise?
Yeah, and there's a drain control. It's not draining that fast anymore.
Okay, it's probably just because it's making that humming noise.
Yeah.
Where's the switch for it?
Right there.
That one right there? All right, let me put this in here real quick.
Let me flip it for you so you can hear.
Okay, go ahead. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see. Sometimes they just get stuck.
What?
Sometimes they just get like stuck. They get a little jammed up.
Okay.
So there's a little Allen key spot on the end of it.
Where is it, please?
There, underneath here, there's a little Allen key spot that you can put an Allen key in.
Allen wrench, you mean?
Yeah. Well, they call it a key. They call it a garbage disposal key. It looks like that. And there's a little spot just underneath. Let's see if I can.
You want a mirror?
Nope. I'm going to just lay down and look underneath. All right.
Right, you're flexible. I couldn't get down there.
Yours might be on the side. Yeah, I think yours is on the side. That's your reset button.
What do you do? Just rotate it? I mean, is it like...
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to be able to do, but you have a reset button, but you don't have a
socket?
Yeah. All right, we're gonna leave the switch off for now.
Okay, well, I'm going to leave you to it, all right?
Okay.
The only reason I'm hanging around is because I want to use... My wife said that it's easy to do.
It should be, but this one, I have to call my husband to ask him about this one because this one doesn't have the Allen key on it.
Okay, well, I'm going to leave you alone then to go sit the other one, okay?
Okay.
You let me know if you need anything.
I will. Thank you. Hey, let me talk to Bob real quick. Hey, so this looks like an older one that doesn't have the Allen key port on the bottom and the reset buttons on the side. How would I free it up if it doesn't have an Allen key port? I looked all over the place for it. And safety reasons, I unplugged the garbage disposal. Let's see if this piece pops out. All right. So if we look in the garbage disposal, oh, I unplugged it. Ding dong. All right. Plug it back in. Yep. So I just had to do it a different way. I unplugged it from the wall down there.
Yeah.
And I'll plug it up here. Put this in. I want to fill up the sink and run some water through it. So the way that I had to do it is I had to unplug it from the wall down below.
Yeah.
And take my little pry bar here.
Yeah.
And spin the inside part of the motor counterclockwise. So that way there I could free up the motor inside where the blades spin. So
You
that,
don't want that to be under tension when you do that, because if it lets go suddenly.
well, that's why we unplug it.
Yeah. Okay.
And I don't you never stick your hands inside a garbage disposal.
My sister-in-law does, which I think is crazy.
Yes, you never stick your hands in a garbage disposal. The only time we do is when we know for a fact it's unplugged and the power is off to it completely.
Well, it's not just the power. If these things are under tension and they let go suddenly.
Right, the snapback can definitely cause a lot of harm, but it's not that it was under tension. What happened was the food or whatever was in there just got just in the right spot where it made it so it wouldn't spin. So it's not under tension, it just won't spin.
Okay.
So you just take it, and it's supposed to go clockwise, so that's why you spin it counterclockwise to free it up.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. So we'll just fill this up, and I'll run the disposal.
What is this checking?
It's just making sure that it's draining properly. That's all I'm doing. And there was some food in it, so I just want to make sure that you're supposed to fill up the sink, fill up the sink a decent way, put your food scraps in, and then turn on the switch, then pull the plug, so you get a nice rush of water behind the food, so it doesn't just build up and create a clog.
Looks like it works.
Alrighty, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So I'll go out and get my book and I'll be right back in.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem. Alrighty, everybody. That does it for that one. I hope you watched all the way to the end and you learned how to free up a garbage disposal. So wish me luck on the next one. Check out some kitchen sinks over here, and I hope to see you next time. Remember, as always, be amazing. Thanks.